Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today we'll be installing a dash cam on a Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's go. Before we get started, let's take a quick glance at the products we're using for this installation. We've got a Dongar Pro dashcam kit and a Vantrue N2 dashcam. First thing we'll do is tilt the mirror down to give us maximum room to work with. It's a two-piece panel and we'll start by prying the upper piece off first. To do this, use a pry tool to unclip here and then run that across the seams of the panel. There are a few points of connection for this piece. With the panel now removed, we have a clear visual of the connectors. The one we need is seen here. Let's go ahead and disconnect this by pressing up on the locking tab and pulling the connector straight out. With the connector removed, let's go ahead and install the Dongar Pro power adapter. I'll insert this end into the vehicle's connector port and the other end to the original wiring harness. I'm also going to plug in the Dongar Pro module and power on the vehicle to ensure everything is receiving power. We can also go ahead and connect the dash cam and make sure that's powering up as well. With all these things confirmed, let's tidy up the cables and reassemble the plastic shroud. I'm now going to reconnect the Dongar Pro module and adhere it to a clean and accessible spot on the plastic shroud. I will now attach my dash cam to a nice spot on the windshield and connect it to the Dongar Pro module. And just like that, we are done. So if you've been on the fence about getting a dash cam on your vehicle, check out Dongar Technologies for their awesome power adapters. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button or consider subscribing for more content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.